What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a Geenie. And it is going to grant me whatever I ask. Well, not whatever I ask, but the Geenie will turn off your TV and turn on your TV whenever you ask it to. I'm just kidding, you guys. I know I'm corny. But anyways, so this is a surge protector, you guys, a smart surge protector. If you have been a long time follower on my channel, you know I have reviewed plenty of smart outlets, smart plugs, everything smart. We reviewed it. All right. So, but the cool thing with this surge protector is that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets. I'm gonna be honest, it's not too many smart surge protectors out there like this. We have a Geenie in our family room. I love it. My wife love it because you can hook so much stuff up. She'll say Alexa, Geenie on, and it will turn the whole Geenie on. Or you could say, hey Alexa, turn TV on, and you can set each one to whatever name that you want to set it on. So you can actually ask Alexa to turn the whole thing off, or Google. You can ask one of the two to turn the whole thing off, or you can ask one of the two to turn whatever one you name it off and on. So that is the cool thing, you guys. So what I'm going to do with this one, I am going to use this one in my garage. I will be replacing my Casa surge protector or smart switch. It's the 3-prong one that I have. I want to put that somewhere else in the garage. But this one I want in the garage on the top portion where I have all my bug zappers and all that stuff. So I'll show y'all what it looks like when I'm done. Just so y'all can see the coolness of the garage. All right, so with that being said, let me go ahead and unbox this for y'all. It says save money and energy, or save energy and money. You can set a schedule. No hub is required. All right, 6 smart outlets. I already went over that with y'all. It says surge protected. It says right there. All right, so there you go. And here we go. Now the wire is not long, you guys. It's unfortunate, but what can you do? So the wire seems about like 2 foot, but the whole thing seems like 3 foot right there. If I find more specs, I'll send you the specs. So it's a little bit more than 3 feet. It's pretty cool, you guys. Like I said, I love the Geenie. The link will be in the description for this. I just had to get another one. Once again, link will be in the description, and that will be it. So catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys. So I am going to do the final review for the Geenie. And right now I have 2 Genies, like I explained. But right now for the garage, I have a Geenie just for my zappers. Not all the outlets are going to the zappers, but I have one that's left over, one free outlet that I'm gonna use for lighting. So I will be doing lighting in here as well. You guys, we're trying to hook up the garage, you guys. We're having fun in here, okay? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and click zapper or tap zapper. All right, now, yes, you can use weak Wi-Fi, of course. I think I took my Wi-Fi off, but what was I saying? Oh yeah, so this thing is pretty cool. The best thing is you can use you Google, or you can use Alexa and all of that stuff. I'm not truly sure about Siri. I've labeled all of my stuff. I'm gonna turn the lights off now. I'm gonna go ahead and click zapper, and you see it comes on right away. Click that zapper. That zapper came on. Got that zapper all the way there. And then I have this zapper right here. Now, if I want all of them on, I could just hit the power button for all of them on. It's a little delay. So I just clicked the power button not too long ago. Or did I? Let me do it again. Okay, there it goes. So I just clicked the power button and all of the zappers came on. So y'all see that right there? And I'm gonna click it again. Now I can say, hey Google, zapper on. All right. Hey Google, zapper off. And all of them go off. Now, again, I have, let me turn the light on y'all. Okay, so with that being said, I have all the zapper hooked up to all the zappers are hooked up to the outlet up there. This is hooked up to the outlet. So that's going right there. And then I'm gonna have another one with a light, well, with another extension going down to meet all the way down there. And I wanna put some lights right there on those two drywalls right there. So that would be it, you guys. I'm just showing y'all the Geenie. Y'all can use it in your house if you want to use it for your home theater or whatever you want to use it for. The Geenie is good, you guys. I mean, it works it is very responsive, okay? Like, you just tap the button and it starts. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.